If you need something custom, call Neicey Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anything custom, bling just for you.
Hello, welcome to my channel, Neicey's Custom, where I show you how to sublimate using Sublimate Studio. If you are new to my channel, look at the whole video. If you like my content, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a 20-ounce tumbler using Sublimate Studio. I do understand that everyone do not know how to use Sublimate Studio, so I'm going to show you step by step on what I'm doing. So let us begin. Okay, you have your canvas here. This is a 8.5 by 11 canvas. And what you're going to do, you're going to come over here first. You're going to go to Machine, and you're going to hit the drop down arrow, and you're going to click None. Then the cutting mat is automatically going to change to None. You're going to go to Media Size, and you're going to click Letter, and that's 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay, and the orientation is going to be Landscape. And the media color, we're going to leave it to white, but this area right here, you can change your canvas to any color that you like. And we're going to go back to white. The rotation view, we can just leave it like that. And if you want to use the print and cut borders and show print border, you can or you can't. The only thing you have to do is just uncheck the box, but I like to show my print border, so I always add my check. Okay, we're not going to do a design. We're just going to pull one from my file that I bought from Etsy. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Merge. Another box is going to come up. And wherever you got your file download, you're going to go there. Mine is always in download. I don't put them nowhere else but download. I have to get out of the habit of doing that. Then we're going to click the image that I'm going to use. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to load my image. And I always use the PNG file. It's coming. It just takes a little time. So again, I forgot to say Happy New Year's, everyone. I hope everyone had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, we have my file here. And what I like to do with my my file that I upload on my silhouette, I like to move it over, like open it up some so it can fit my tumbler better. And the measurements right here is the width I have is 9.534 and the height is 8.203. Once I have done that, I'm going to go back up to File. I'm going to print, but before I do that, if you don't, I'm using a Epson WF7720, and I use Cosmos ink. I have the link down in the description box where you can get the Cosmos ink. It's a great ink. I love it. The color shows up bright. And I use sublimation paper. I think that paper is great also, but you can use what you feel comfortable on using. And if you don't have the Epson, I have my printer is already set up where my image is going to flip. So if you don't have that, you go ahead and flip your image. And by doing that, you're going to click your right, the right click on your mouse, and you're going to hit flip horizontally, and it's going to flip. Okay. And since I have it already set up on my printer and in Sublimate Studios, I'm going to go ahead and flip it back, because once it prints, it's going to automatically do it for me. So while you do that, you're going to go up to File, and you're going to hit Print. You're going to pick the printer that you're using. I'm picking the WF7720, the Epson. And I'm going to go to Preference to make sure that everything is correct. I already have my paper size and everything already programmed in here. So I'm going to just hit Medium. And I'm going to change my orientation to Landscape. I'm going to go to More Options. And I'm going to make sure that that check is in the box for Mirror Image. Once that is done, I'm going to go back to Main. Make sure everything is right. It's coming out paper cassette 1, 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay. Then I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and print my image. Once that is printing, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I line it up my tumbler. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. With this project, you're going to need your image, a pair of scissors, your heat tape, and I have a tumbler press. It does the tumbler, stainless steel, ceramic, mugs, glass. Let me show you. Let me get a little close. Okay, it does the, I don't know if you can see it or not, the stainless steel, tumbler, ceramic, mugs, glass, and cans. That's what I have. That's what I have now. But I was using my oven doing my tumblers. Then I ran up on this right here, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this out and see how it does. And it does pretty good. I'm about to show you. And I have this cradle right here that I bought off of Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in the description bar, the box for you, but you can use it or you don't have to use it. It's just up to you, but I like it. It's all right. Okay, so what I do, I get my image and I cut around my image. I take that white border off of there. That's what I do. Okay, just go around that, and I'm just gonna, just what I do with my cradle, I just lay my image on the cradle like that, and I just drop my tumbler down. That's what I do. Everybody does it different, but that's what I like to do. Oh, that's my heat press saying it's ready. So you want to make sure that everything is going to cover your tumbler. That's why I like to make it big. I'd rather have a lot of overage than none at all, because I can always cut the little bit that I don't need. Understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to just fold this over like that. Oh, fold it over like that. Make it tight. You make sure you have that image tight on that tumbler so it can be on it good. And see, it's going to be over a little bit. I'm not worried about that it being like that. As long as it doesn't interfere with the words on there. Okay, I'm gonna get my heat tape and I'm gonna go ahead and tape that down like that. I usually take it out of the cradle. Move that to the side. And I take that down. Make sure I have it taped down good. Okay. Then if you have these tumblers that I have, make sure you look inside of them, because sometimes they have like the bottom of the tumbler still inside of there. See? So make sure you look at that. Once I have that tape down, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in my mug press. Well, my tumbler / mug press / can press. And I'm going to go ahead and close it. Hit my timer. I'm going to let this set for 4 minutes on each side. You're going to hear the machine beep a while, but I just like it to press for like 4 minutes. Okay, it's finished. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And these are my heat protection gloves. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off right here. Set that aside. That was my son came in here a few minutes ago. Let me get. Okay. Once you have taken it out of the press or taken out the oven, and I'm going to show you what you have to do if you want to put it in the oven. I'll just peel the tape off. Set that aside. Okay. Well, I thought I turned it off. I guess not. Okay. So this is the tumbler. This is how your tumbler should look. I see I have a line right here, but okay guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you like my content when I'm showing you how to do a Sublimate 20-ounce tumbler using the Sublimate Studio. If you like it, please, can you please hit that like button for me, because that helps my channel out a whole lot. The more likes I get, the more they'll keep pushing my content out for everyone to see. And if you are new to my channel, if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, guys? And I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. That being said, you know what I'm about to say. God loves you, and I love you too. Peace, and have a nice day.
Have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anything custom, plain, just fun.